Shibanta ban Rakhe World Tuberculosis Day-2023 Jowai lalek burom yaka da kaba pynlong yaka Jingiaid rally bala shimbanta da ki khynnah skul kaba sdang naduh Madan dai masi Ladthadlaboh ban pynkut Khimusniang Indoor Sports Hall halor ka phang kaba ong yes we can end TB. Nakaliang ka Ophis District Tuberculosis Society West Jaintia Hills District hadien ka Jingiaid rally la pynlong yaka jingïalang ban pynsngewthuh iki khynnah skul phang kani ka jingpang kabala ban pynkut shisendang. Hakani kasngi nakaliang ka Additional Deputy Commissioner WJHD District kong H.M.L kanta haba ay jingkren kala ay ka jingyaro ikinong troy ka kot kakya naduh ki doktor ki nurse ki baladon ka jingkit kli banyarap penkot ya kinong pang TB. Kala ong ru kung kinong pang ki badon ya kani ka jingpang ki day ban let mi man kapor sya ki jaka sumar bat ban pha test yala di khnang ba enla ban penkot kloy. Shushu kalaong kabaning kongdu haka jing imbriu day bandon shwa ka jing lek huot hala yeng la sem bat haka imlang ka salang ka kirmans kemling ba ka jing yetre lang jong baro insala ban pendu no yakani ka jat jingpang.
And also as patients, they need to get themselves tested regularly as advised by their doctors so that they can, and also they have to go for a follow-up so that they can know that they have been cured of this disease. Now apart from patients, we as a community, we also need to come together to fight this disease. And the number one way we can do that, which is the most simple thing, is cleanliness. Cleanliness is a necessary part of health, and the only way we can achieve this is if the community actively participates. So we need to come together as a community through this simple way, which is by keeping our environment clean. And if we know that if there are any persons who have symptoms, by requesting them not to shy away, but to come forward and not to shy away from taking medicine. Now, tuberculosis is an infectious disease. We need to be aware of it, how to treat it, what are the symptoms. So let us all try to make everyone aware about this disease by talking to our siblings, to our parents, to our neighbors, whatever, especially students who are here today, whatever you have heard from our doctors, from our TB champions, please share these stories with everyone who you meet and come in contact with. And this is how we can help each other and how we can fight this disease. Together, we can fight tuberculosis. And if you have any doubt, please feel free to come and speak to our doctor.
Which is tuberculosis. So what is tuberculosis? I think all the students, they know about tuberculosis because we can see from the placard what they have written. That means they know the disease because this is not a new disease and it is an old disease. Okay? So we'll talk about TB. So tuberculosis is an infectious disease caused by a bacteria known as Mycobacterium tuberculosis. And what are the risk factors that you might get TB? Okay? So the most high-risk factor is HIV. I think you have heard about HIV. So people who are living with HIV, they are prone to get TB. And why? Because the immune system is low. And also in diabetic patients, the immune system also is low, so they are prone to get. So the two diseases that a patient might get TB. So both HIV and TB, they are vice versa. So in a program, we need to test the TB patient for HIV. And also the HIV patient need to be tested for TB. So again, for diabetes also, it's the same. So what are the other factors, like alcoholic patient, alcoholic people, and then the malnourished children, and then smoking, and then those people living in a vulnerable area, like the coal mines, the prison, and so on. Okay? These are the factors that most of the people might get TB.
So this year, 2023, is going to shine a spotlight on ending TB and the suffering it causes to millions, and to call for comprehensive and universal care for those affected. The 2023 United Nations High-Level Meeting on TB at the General Assembly in September will bring together heads of states and provide the opportunity to mobilize political and social commitment to ramp up the progress against TB. So it is our collective responsibility to confront the inequalities and put an end to this preventable and curable disease. Tackling health inequities to ensure health for all. Because as we know, people with TB are among the most marginalized and vulnerable populations. They face barriers to access health care. So the WHO is calling for global action to address health inequities for people with TB and other diseases. Yes, we can end TB. Ending TB requires concerted action by all sectors to provide the right services and support. Because TB is mainly concentrated in settings where there is poverty and other social and economic challenge, and in the most vulnerable populations, including poverty, undernourishment, their poor living and working conditions affect how the people fall ill, and then how they develop active TB disease, and how they cope up with the demands of treatment. This will include all the medical, financial, and social.